Ready? Start. Further held. A. Next para. Litigation is nothing but a journey towards truth, which is the foundation of justice, and the court is required to take appropriate steps to thrash out the underlying truth in every dispute. Therefore, the court should take a lenient view when an application is made for production of the documents under sub rule in bracket 3. The defendants have filed an application assigning cogent reasons for not producing the documents along with the written statement. They have stated that these documents were missing and were only traced at a later stage. It cannot be disputed that the documents produced by the defendants are necessary for arriving at a just decision in the suit. The courts below ought to have granted leave to produce these documents. Next para B. Sub rule in bracket 1 of Order 8, Rule 1A mandates the defendant to produce the document in his possession before the court and file the same along with his written statement. He must list out the documents which are in his possession or power as well as those which are not. In case the defendant does not file any document or copy thereof along with his written statement, such a document shall not be allowed to be received in evidence on behalf of the defendant at the hearing of the suit. However, this will not apply to a document produced for cross examination of the plaintiff's witnesses or handed over to a witness merely to refresh his memory. Next, C. Next para. Sub Rule 3 of Order 8, Rule 1A states that a document which is not produced at the time of filing of the written statement shall not be received in evidence except with the leave of the court. Order 13 of Rule 1 of CPC against make it mandatory for the parties to produce their original documents before settlement of issues. Sub Rule 3 provides a second opportunity to the defendant to produce the document which ought to have been produced in the court along with the written statement with the leave of the court. The discretion conferred upon the court to grant such leave is to be exercised judiciously. While there is no straight jacket formula